eufy Security SmartDrop, a safe for deliveries. This is a real footage. I literally got a package delivered 30 minutes after I got it installed. You can find detailed installation steps later in this video. It's Wi-Fi enabled with an integrated security camera with motion detection and a combination lock. As you can see, I'm using a super strong password here. All metal construction with a very sleek design. Most importantly, it keeps my packages safe when I'm not home. Delivery workers would have the motivation to use it because they also want the package to be in a safe place as much as I do. It has a decent size, 21 by 19 by 27 inches. I'll also walk you through the installation and the app setup.
Enter the PIN code on the address label and press open.
A PIN code can be generated from the app for the delivery company to use. It should be part of the shipping label. It can also be unlocked remotely in the app. 2 keys are included just in case the battery dies, or if you forget the password, you can always open it with the keys. It came in a very well packaged box. This is the packaging list. 4.7 cubic battery powered motion detection, bolted to floor for added security. This is everything included in the box. All parts are nicely labeled. This is an overview of the included hardware, the battery pack, micro USB charging cable, and screws. The assembly guide is printed on a large piece of cardboard, which also serves as a template for drilling. Now let's get it installed. The installation process was pretty simple and straightforward. I got it done in under 20 minutes. With the help of a DeWalt impact driver, because I hate driving in all the screws. There were a lot of screws. All the boards came out to be nice and square. Now the final touch is the bottom piece, which is secured by more than 12 screws. The hinge installation is a bit tricky, so make sure you have a box back there to support it so you can do it alone. I tried to document this installation process as much as I could, so hopefully this helps. Yeah, make sure you have a supporting piece for the lid. Its own packaging box works great. And this point is supposed to face down. Make sure you get the direction correctly. The battery pack is charged via micro USB cable, around 10 watts. The capacity is 36.3 watt hour. The battery compartment.
Welcome to eufy SmartDrop.
Use the template to drill 4 holes into concrete. Insert the anchor for stronger grip. And finally, driving all 4 screws to secure it to the ground. The next step is to add it to the eufy Security app. Here's a screen capture of the whole process. It took less than 2 minutes. This is eufy Security app walkthrough for the SmartDrop, where you can see the live stream from the camera, watch the previous events, or generate a delivery pin. You can also make changes to the video quality or check the battery status. It's worth mentioning that it does not have a local storage, so I have it linked to my home base, so all the clips are now stored on premise in that one location. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this review helpful.